show you the Fiacle Blackhead vacuum. So I'm super excited to try this out and show you guys. So this is great for all skin types, and you get very obvious effects after 3 to 5 weeks. It's super cool. And so basically the way it works is like, so you turn it on and then you can see that there are 3 different skin types, and so you choose your skin type. So they have oily, normal, and dry. So I have pretty normal skin, so I'm just going to click the normal one, and I'm going to try it out. And so what you do is you just rub it over your face, and it'll like suck it out, but don't leave it on one spot for too long. So you just run it across it, and it's sucking out all my blackheads, any dirt in my skin, which is super, super cool. And I love this product a lot. It also comes with 5 other heads. You can see this head. And what each head does, so 3 to 5, and then what each one does is so